Welcome to another exciting video. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's sure to capture your interest. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just getting started, this video will provide valuable insights and information that you won't want to miss. So sit back, relax, and let's explore together. Hello and welcome to this video on how AI is eliminating jobs. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been changing the way we work and live, and while it has brought many benefits, it has also led to the elimination of certain jobs. In this video, we will explore some of the ways in which AI is impacting the job market and discuss which professions are most at risk of being replaced by machines. Let's start by looking at some of the industries that are most likely to be impacted by AI. One of the most affected sectors is manufacturing. With the rise of automation and robotics, many manual labor jobs have become obsolete. Machines can work faster and more efficiently than humans, and they don't require breaks or time off. This means that jobs such as assembly line workers, factory operators, and other low-skill manufacturing jobs are at high risk of being replaced by machines. Another industry that is seeing significant changes due to AI is transportation. Self-driving cars and trucks are already on the roads, and as the technology continues to improve, the need for human drivers will decrease. In addition, the rise of drone technology is also impacting jobs in fields such as delivery services and even agriculture. AI is also making significant inroads in the service industry. With the development of chatbots and other automated customer service tools, many jobs in call centers and customer support are at risk of being eliminated. AI-powered tools can handle basic customer inquiries and complaints, reducing the need for human intervention. Finally, we have the professional services sector. Lawyers, accountants, and other professionals are starting to feel the impact of AI as well. With the ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, AI-powered tools can perform tasks that were previously done by humans. For example, legal research and document review can now be automated, leading to a reduction in the number of hours billed by lawyers and paralegals. So, what does this all mean for the job market? While it's true that some jobs will be eliminated, it's important to remember that new jobs will also be created. AI is not just about replacing humans, it's about augmenting human capabilities and making our lives easier. Jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are less likely to be replaced by machines. In conclusion, AI is eliminating jobs in certain industries, but it's also creating new opportunities in others. The key is to adapt and learn new skills that will be in demand in the future job market. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has given you some insights into the impact of AI on the job market. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit the play button again to watch the video one more time. Thank you for your support and we'll see you in the next one.